Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse, your home for the latest in tech that keeps you safer, smarter, and more connected on the road. Today, we're looking at an all-in-one driving solution that blends protection, awareness, and recording into a single powerhouse package, the Escort MAX 360C Radar Detector with M2 Smart Dash Cam and OBDII cord bundle. This isn't just a radar detector. The MAX 360C is known for its 360-degree detection, using advanced radar sensors to give you full coverage against police radar and laser signals. It features directional alerts, so you know not just when you're being targeted, but exactly where the threat is coming from, front, rear, or sides. That directional precision makes it one of the smartest detectors on the market. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the MAX 360C keeps itself updated automatically with the latest threat detection and camera location databases, so you're always one step ahead. Pair that with real-time alerts from the Escort driver network, and you've got a system that goes beyond hardware. It's a connected community of drivers helping each other stay aware. Now let's talk about the M2 Smart Dash Cam that comes bundled in. This sleek camera integrates seamlessly with the radar detector, recording in crisp Full HD resolution with wide-angle coverage. Whether it's capturing scenic drives or serving as crucial evidence in case of an incident, the M2 delivers reliable performance with smart features like continuous loop recording and built-in incident detection. The included OBDII cord ensures a clean installation and constant power supply. By tapping directly into your vehicle's OBDII port, you free up your 12V outlet while enabling enhanced features like speed display, diagnostics, and improved integration with your car's system. Together, these three components, the MAX 360C, the M2 dash cam, and the OBDII cord, create a complete driver awareness suite. You'll not only have advanced radar and laser detection, but also a live video record of your drive and seamless integration with your car's onboard systems. Whether you're a frequent highway driver, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who values both protection and peace of mind, this bundle is an investment in smarter, safer driving. If you're ready to upgrade your driving experience, check out the link below to grab the Escort MAX 360C bundle. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews of the tech that keeps you connected, right here on GadgetVerse.